Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Halo House, a stunning residence designed by Tamara Wibowo architects, located in Semarang, Indonesia. Sitting quietly in the corner of a serene neighborhood, Halo House embraces a contemporary barn-inspired design that harmonizes with nature. The home features elongated pitched roof structures oriented along the north-south axis, seamlessly blending with the surrounding trees. A central platform elegantly connects these structures, punctuated by circular openings that preserve existing trees and define the courtyard. These circular voids, or halos, are a defining architectural feature, allowing natural light to filter beautifully throughout the day and shaping the movement of rainwater. For a closer look, explore the detailed images of this remarkable home from various angles.